Alright, y'all, I'm back. Had to start over because my phone was dying. So it's mostly, I got all of it off. It's the old one right here. And this is the new one. Just put on the headlights. Gotta get another one. I'm about to put in the other headlight. It's right there. So far I ain't got now. I know it's a mess out here. God damn. Mostly done. But come to find out, I gotta get something else to hold these headlights in. So yeah, I gotta stop by AutoZone and see if they got something to hold the LED headlights in. So for right now, I might be using the old. Well, there's one. The other one is gone. So y'all comment below and tell me what's up. Hold on, y'all. Shit. Like these LED headlights won't fit on the, not on the headlights. Assembly. Tried to put them on. I ain't want to damage them. So, they just put them back where they was. See, this won't fit up in there. Let me show you. Alright, if I put it like this, so I put it on like that, this won't fit just because these shits right here. These right here is stopping it. And it won't hold these LED headlights on. So, back home in a little bit, about to pause it. Alright, y'all. This is where I'm at. Tighten up these screws. I already tightened up these two. For the grill, I already got the headlight assembly in. It's time to just put it on the bumper, throw it back on the car, put the screws back in. Then I'm done. And grab these tabs for the side right there, for where the wheel well at. Pop the tabs in. That's it. I'll be done then. And then probably hook up one of the old headlights, drive the AutoZone, see if I can find a piece to throw them headlights, the LED headlights on. Then I'm done then. So just had to let y'all know. Just had to let y'all know about that.